Enjoy beautiful panoramic views of the Indian River from the 7th floor condo on exclusive Island Pointe. You'll love the huge gourmet kitchen with walk-in pantry, rolling island and breakfast bar. There's plenty of room to spread out in 2275 square feet of luxury with 3 large bedrooms, 2 baths, plus a huge balcony overlooking the river. An extra foot of ceiling height makes this condo stand out from the lower floors. This gated community has 2 swimming pools, a spa, tennis and basketball courts, exercise room, sauna and clubhouse. 1-year lease.